Hi everyone, I am Lanka Jayarathna. You are welcome to our educational YouTube channel. I am back here with another interesting lesson for you. In this video, you are going to learn how to multiply a decimal by a power of 10. In order to learn how to multiply a decimal by a power of 10, we first need to know what powers of 10 are. You are given some examples of powers of 10. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, etc. Because these numbers can be written as powers of 10. As an example, 1 equals 10 to the power of 0. 10 equals 10 to the power of 1. 1000 equals 10 to the power of 3. 10,000 equals 10 to the power of 4. In this way, you can write these numbers as powers of 10. Multiplication of decimals by 10, 100, 1000, etc. As an example, we multiply 4.2571 by 10, by 100, by 1000, by 10,000 to understand the method of multiplication by power of 10. Please remember that we do not apply this method when you multiply a decimal by a power of 10. Instead of this long multiplication method, we simply move the decimal point to the right as many places as there are zeros in the power of 10. When you multiply 4.2571 by 10, as there is only one zero in 10, we have to move the decimal point only one place to the right. Then we get the answer 42.571. Now let's multiply 4.2571 by 100. As there are two zeros in 100, we simply move the decimal point two places to the right. Then we get the answer 425.71. Now let's multiply 4.2571 by 1000. As there are three zeros in 1000, we have to move the decimal point three places to the right. Then we get the answer 4257.1. Now let's multiply 4.2571 by 10,000. There are four zeros in 10,000. So we move the decimal point four places to the right. Then we get the answer 42,571. Decimal point is after the number. It means 42,571.0. But actually there are no digits after the decimal point. Then you can eliminate the decimal point and leave the answer as a whole number. Then answer is 42,571. Next one, let's multiply 7.21 by 1000. As you know, 1000 has 3 zeros. We have to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. But in this number, there are only 2 digits after the decimal point. Then we have to write an extra 0 at the end of the number. Now we can move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Then we get the final answer 7210. Now let's multiply 0.043 by 10 to the power of 5. You know our method. When we multiply a decimal by a power of 10, simply we move the decimal point to the right, as many places as there are zeros in the power of 10. You can see there are 5 zeros in this number. So we have to move the decimal point 5 places to the right. But there are only 3 digits after the decimal point. And we need 2 more digits. Then we can write 2 zeros at the end. Now we can move the decimal point 5 places to the right. Then we get this number 0,04300. Then we can ignore these 2 zeros. Then final answer is 4300. By using this method, you can multiply any decimal by a power of 10 very easily. Now you are given an assignment. You can answer these questions. Answers for the assignment will be in the description box. Then you can check it for yourself.